Welcome to R-Wave. Let's take a look at supporting documentation for R-Wave and how to use it. R-Wave provides an extensive knowledge base to support your learning process. To begin with, you can access the R-Wave guide from the home screen. There are 3 help sections in the guide: Business Process Maps, a glossary, and a complete business flow template. As part of your subscription, we provide a complete business flow template to help build a streamlined and future-proof business structure. The diagram shows all processes for a manufacturing company and how they interact with each other, both within R-Wave ERP as well as in real-life scenarios. By hovering a mouse cursor over a particular module, the S will take you to the statistics for this process, and the left button will display the instruction guide for that particular module. Using Business Process Maps section provides a visual representation of various processes, how they are connected, which modules are used to manage them, and which employees are involved. You can use the glossary for a quick search of the key words and their explanations. Lastly, when already working inside R-Wave modules, we can directly access an interactive step-by-step guide from every page of every module, and it displays specific instructions on how to use the particular module as well as how the selected module connects to other processes. For additional support, feel free to contact us.